A lot of traders, especially intraday traders, search the keyword SGX Nifty live in between 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. It indicates two things. Number one, SGX Nifty plays a crucial role in Indian stock market. Number two, it gives a major clue where the Indian market will be opened on any trading day. In fact, many news channels dedicate 1 to 2 hours every day in the morning before market open to discuss about SGX Nifty levels and its implications on Indian market. SGX Nifty consists of two words. Number one, SGX, and number two is Nifty. SGX is the short form of Singapore Stock Exchange, whereas Nifty is the index of the National Stock Exchange, which is NSE. And Nifty is calculated by taking the weighted value of the top 50 stocks listed on NSE. To sum up, SGX Nifty is the Indian Nifty futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange. Now, where to check the SGX Nifty levels? There are three sources to check SGX Nifty levels. Number one, SGX Nifty website itself, and number two, Money Control, and number three is Trading View. I will show in all the three channels. Then you can you can use anything which is appropriate for you. So number one is SGX Nifty itself. So if you Google SGX Nifty, you will get the SGX Nifty website. If you click on it, it gives the SGX Nifty levels, and it also gives open, low, high, and percentage change and all. So this is where you find SGX Nifty intraday live chart. You can also check SGX Nifty historical chart by clicking on this. So this is one simple source, SGX Nifty chart. The next one is Money Control. If you go to Money Control, on the right side, you will get global markets. And if you select View All Global Markets, it will also give all the global market related indices information, and it will also give SGX Nifty. So this is where you can also check the SGX Nifty levels. The third and the simplest option is tradingview.com. So in tradingview.com, if you type SGX Nifty, see, this is where it is giving the SGX Nifty levels. So this is the SGX Nifty daily chart. So these are the three resources to check SGX Nifty levels. So SGX Nifty, the direct website gives the accurate levels of SGX Nifty. In Singapore, Nifty trades in two sessions. The first part is denoted by T, and the second part is denoted by T+1. The first session of SGX Nifty timings is 9 a.m. to 6:10 p.m. SGT, that is Singapore timings, or in Indian timings it is 6:30 a.m. to 3:40 p.m. IST. Okay? The second session of SGX Nifty timings is 6:40 p.m. to 5:15 a.m. SGT, or in Indian timings it is in between 4:10 p.m. to 2:45 a.m. IST. So one can verify these details in SGX site itself. Suppose if you go to SGX, so this is the Singapore exchange websites. You can go to derivatives. You can go to market information. You can go to delayed prices futures. Okay, here you can select SGX Nifty here. So this is the the session details, and it also give all the if you select this view details, it will also give all the details like the chart, historical chart, bid price, ask price, open price, high, low, etc., etc. And also you will see all the contract specifications here, product type, contract size, etc., etc. And also the trading hours is mentioned here. Okay, so this is where you can find all the information related to SGX Nifty futures. So how to trade SGX Nifty from India? Any trader or investor who is interested in trading in Nifty but don't have access to the Indian market can trade in SGX Nifty. FIIs and many big hedge funds with significant exposure in the Indian market use SGX Nifty to hedge their position due to extended time zone and the good liquidity behavior. However, if you are an Indian, you're not allowed to trade in SGX Nifty contracts. In fact, Indian citizens are not permitted to trade any derivative contract in any other country. But any Indian NRI can trade in SGX Nifty. Okay? So this rule is not applicable for Indian NRIs. Then what is the contract size in SGX Nifty? The contract size in Indian Nifty is 75 shares per lot. Whereas SGX Nifty contract size is denominated in terms of USD. For example, if the Nifty is trading at 14,000, then the contract size of SGX Nifty is 14,000 into 2, which is 28,000 USD. Suppose if Nifty moves up by 200 points, then the profit will be 200 rupees per share. Means total profit will be 200 into 75, which is 15,000 rupees in India. But if SGX Nifty moves up by 200 points, then the profit will be 200 into 2, which is 400 USD per contract. So SGX Nifty gives the first indication where the Indian markets will be open on any trading day. If the SGX Nifty is positive, Nifty will also witness a positive opening. And if the SGX Nifty is negative, Nifty will also witness a negative opening, at least on most of the days. So SGX Nifty will be open even after the closure of the Indian market. Hence, any impact due to any global incident will be reflected directly in it. So the next day, Indian market takes the clue from SGX Nifty and it shows the appropriate open level. So do you have any other questions or you want to cover any other important topics in trading? Please get in touch with us. Thank you.